all of you here with 10 News with a very, very special guest today. And I'm really very excited to share all about Suraj Dash with all of you. And I really want him to give us a very, very inspiring talk today. So, as most of my viewers know, that oh my god, my mic is on. As most of my viewers know, I am right now in Rishikesh. Rishikesh is the land of gurus, the land of Mahagurus, and I was very delighted to find a young guru over here by the name of Swaraj. And when I heard his name, something just sticked in my mind, because all of you know I have this patriotic streak in me. And whenever it comes to our Desh or Swaraj, I get excited. Now, his name was so exciting that I had to make friends with him. And once I made friends with him, my God, a whole new world opened up to me. And wonderful youth icon. He's a champion. He's classical singer, and he's just 21 years old, and he has achieved a lot. He's just 21 years old, and he's achieved a lot in life. I think my mic is switching off. If you have a problem, do put in the chat that you can't hear me. And thank you all viewers, wherever you're joining in from. Thank you so much for being with us today. So Raj, before I continue with the show, I would like, Suraj to introduce himself. So, in his own special style. And then I'll tell you a little bit more about him as we proceed. Yes, Suraj. Tell me who you are.
So, first of all, my pranam to all my Gurujanas, all my sweet souls, sweet divine souls here over who are present in my souls already. And I bow to Shruti Ma. I call her Ma. She is beyond anything to me. And I bow to her for also this extraordinary introduction for this so ordinary men. I always say I'm your Swaraj. I'm not Swaraj. I'm your Swaraj. It's because you have given me the name of Swaraj, and you have given the morals, you have given the benevolence of Swaraj. So I'm cultivating on the same way. So it's yours, is all yours, is not my energy.
Yes.
And
So that credit has to go to Manjulata Das and Shri Praful Kumar Das, who I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, the credit goes to Manjulata Das and Shri Praful Kumar Das, who have named him Swaraj. Those are his wonderful parents who have guided him into this wonderful world of classical music and, not just classical music, this great understanding of spirituality, the great connection with this country which this young boy has, which is absolutely awesome. And believe me, I am always in touch with a lot of youth because I love coaching youth. In Delhi, also, I've been meeting a whole lot of youth. But Suraj is somebody very special, very different. And I think I am honored because I probably am taking his first interview. This is just going to be a beginning of many, many international interviews coming his way very soon. So you will find out as we proceed. So Raj, please sing out your introduction the way you had sung it to me when we
sure,
met.
sure. With all your blessings,
Yes.
and with all of your blessings, I'm gonna invoke it. Ga ma dha गुरु बिन ज्ञान में कैसे पाऊं, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में कैसे पाऊं, सच नाम गुरु का मैं जानूं, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में कैसे पाऊं, सच नाम गुरु का मैं जानूं, सात सुरन की सात सुरन के कर कृपा, गुरु सारे ग म प द ये सा ध सुरन की करो कृपा, गुरु इन चरणन में शीश झुकाऊं, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में कैसे पाऊं, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में, गुरु बिन ज्ञान में कैसे
So, Guru Shri Gyanjan Mahapatra ji, आपको हमारा शत शत प्रणाम. He is our young icons guru, and he has been trained by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. And God bless all our great gurus, and God bless Swaraj, who has taken this, knowledge and learning the skill from them. So thank you so much, Suraj. I wanted you to share how you had introduced yourself to me. You had sung something and said, "मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो नहीं हूँ," something like that. Can you share that with our audience?
It was, I think, the law of nature. It's, we all are made of it. At the age of 3, I think, my ma and papa took me to my Guruji, Guru Shri Gyananjan Mahapatra. I bow to you, sir, my pranam, and we call him fondly Gyanasar. And he is the spot maker who has made this pot, and this world is coloring it. So he is this pot maker. He has introduced me everything. I was into his lotus feet. I'm his servant. I'm nothing else. I'm his servant. He is all that you're listening is just him, just his, and just all his prashadam or anything. And I've done nothing for him, and I really want that. I want to do something for my
Okay,
guru.
Suraj, in that case, please sing something for your guru. Some classical based song which you have learned from him.
previously I invocated was Rag Bhairav. That also I learned from Guruji, my Guruji. And now I'll sing Rag Hamir. That is one of my Guruji's favorite rag. So, and I'll also introduce one of the song in Bollywood of Hamir. Ah, ah, de, de, agama, da, pa, kama, re, sa. Zare gama da 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 pa ga ma re sa. Guru bina kaun बतावे पाटा गुरु बिना कौन बतावे पाटा बड़ा विकट यम घाट गुरु बिना बड़ा विकट यमगाड़ा गुरु बिना कौन 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 बचावे पाड़ा भ्रांति की पहाड़ी नदियां बीच में भ्रांति की पहाड़ी भ्रांति की भ्रांति की पहाड़ी नदियां बीच में. And how my Guru described the नदियां. भ्रांति की पहाड़ी, the mountain of delusion. भ्रांति 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 की पहाड़ी नदियां बीच में नदियां बीच में अहंकार की लाठा गुरु बिना कौन बतावे बाटा. And now the great Muhammad Rafi Saab. He sings in this raga as Nizare sagare maga mama da pani da ni re za re da ni da mama ba da ni da re da ni da mama ba gama da ba gama re da ni re za. मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे गिरे दरा की मुरलिया बाजे रे. So it's great Rafi Saab. And my Guruji, he is very fond of Rafi Saab. So Rafi Saab came to us with the disciples in the same way. And we have we've not seen all those pictures and all those videos, old videos, those great videos, but those songs came into our emotion through our group. So he made it very spiritual, very spiritual. He's a great spiritual person, my Guruji.
Yes, so that spiritual song, na Sanskrit wala wo sunao. So, Siraj, I would like you to share your introduction the way you had shared with me. You're missing out the one in which you had sung the Gita Shlok. तो वो मैं चाह रही थी आप शेयर करें.
Yeah. So is all your energy that I'm invocating what we all are. We are not the physical, not the vital, not even the mental, not even the emotional bodies, but we are something beyond us, and that is not cut by everybody, not can be stolen by anybody. And Bhagavad Gita says it. So I've tried to write something and composed. So
So
here going.
here I want to tell my viewers. I just want to share with my viewers that Siraj is a composer. He has composed almost 78 songs. He's written lyrics of over 57 songs, and he's going to just share his self composition and the way he's introduced himself. I think my mic is going off again and again, so excuse me for that. So he is going to share his introduction in his own way, in his own composition.
Oh. Oh. मैं वो जिसे कोई मार नहीं सकता, मैं वो जिसे कोई जला नहीं सका, मैं वो हूँ जो पानी में बहता नहीं, मैं वो हूँ जो हवा में उड़ता नहीं, मैं वो हूँ जिसे कोई मार नहीं सकता, मैं वो हूँ जिसे कोई जला नहीं सकता, मैं वो हूँ जो पानी में बहता नहीं, मैं वो हूँ जो हवा में उड़ता नहीं, मैं वो हूँ जो मैं नहीं, मैं वो हूँ जहाँ कुछ तय नहीं, मगर फिर भी सभी में मैं करता हूँ बसेरा, सभी के सपनों में लाता हूँ सवेरा, नैनम छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि, नैनं दहति पावका, न चैनं क्लेद्यन्तापो न शोयति मारुता, नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि, नैनं दहति पावका, न चैनं क्लेद्यन्तापो न शोषयति मारुता, not the sword that can kill me, I'm not the water that can drown me.
That was very beautiful, Siraj. And I'm really very delighted to have on my show a very special personality. Mr. Kamalneet Singh is here with us. He is an international coach for youth and he's a transformation coach. He's a TEDx speaker and all the young viewers who are watching me must check out his Josh Talks on YouTube and listen to his YouTube channels. His name is Kamalneet Singh. Very, very warm welcome to you, Kamalneet. And he is here.
Thank you.
And he is here because I think my mic is switching off again and again. But Kamal, I hope I went through. So Kamalneet ji is here because of a very special reason. There's a small secret which I have not shared so far on the show. So we've all heard we've all been hearing Swaraj sing so beautifully. He has complete control over his classical singing. But there is a small Kamal is like that as a child when he used to stammer and being put into Victorian he has changed his that very to and not feel lost and give up on themselves because of certain issues. So Kamalneet ji, over to you. I would like you to directly encourage Swaraj and so many of our viewers who are watching who may be struggling with some kind of an issue in their life where they are afraid to come out in the front, afraid to talk to people or even talk about it. So my Swaraj, as he tells me that I'm your Swaraj, he is very courageous because he's very spiritually connected. So he is not worried about coming out in the open with his problems and continue with his passion. And after you speak to him with this a little more, I'll tell you about Swaraj. Yes, over to you, Kamal.
Wonderful. Thank you. First of all, thank you very much, Shruti, and the entire team of 10 News. And I was hearing Swaraj singing, and
Sat Shri
it
Akal,
took me to a
Bhaiya. Sat
different
Shri
world.
Akal.
Sat Shri Akal ji, and Sat Shri Akal. Hello, welcome, good evening to all the viewers. And I'm really inspired and really moved by
I'm
Swaraj,
inspired
your
by you.
singing, and it was very deep. And it they say that songs can, song, if it comes from a soul, it can move a soul. So
Yeah.
I was deeply moved. And
Yeah.
Shruti, thank you once again, and the entire team of 10 News for having me on the show. Am I visible, audible, both? What's up, TK? Is that okay? Am I visible and audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can probably show me a thumbs up if it's visible and audible, if that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me? Am I audible? Am I visible? ऐसा तो
Is
नहीं है
it
मैं बोलता जा रहा हूँ and
visible?
सुनाई नहीं पड़
I
रहा.
didn't hear you clearly, Kamalneet. Can you be a little louder and just be near the mic or something?
Uh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, give me a quick second.
Little better.
Give me a quick second.
Yes,
Yeah,
Kamalneet
am
ji,
I am I
हम कुछ
audible?
कह रहे थे.
Yes. Am I audible? मैंने कहा मैं पूछ लूँ am I
Yeah,
audible?
now
ऐसा
you're
तो
quite
नहीं है.
audible. Tell me.
I'm going on and then nobody is able to hear. So
नहीं
really
अब
wanted
सुन
to
रहा है,
thank.
बोलिए.
So Swaraj, very very powerful singing, and it comes from deep within your heart. I can sense it. And the name is Swaraj Dash or Dash, the way you probably pronounce it. I would I would rather like to add the okay. So I would rather like to add the ing to it. Swaraj dashing.
Dashing.
Very
Dashing.
powerful. And
That's so
when
beautiful.
when I heard you singing, I didn't feel for a second that you have any concerns with stammering or getting stuck. Sometimes it is not proper stammering. Sometimes in particular areas of our life we do get stuck. But then when I heard you singing, you were flowing like a river. So मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. I really truly enjoyed.
It's all your
And
blessings, Maya.
I'll share. So Shruti definitely knows a bit about it. In fact, almost all about it. So I'll share my journey. So this is Swaraj for you. कई बारी क्या होता है, there are very specific instances wherein we get stuck. हमेशा नहीं होता.
हाँ,
You'll agree. It does not
हाँ,
happen always, and there are very
yeah,
specific cases. And I remember my school days, and maybe the viewers watching this,
yeah,
they'll probably remember their school days. There would
yeah,
always be a tough teacher. There would always be a teacher who would be very
yeah,
tough. वो गुस्से वाली
yeah,
teacher. And I had a couple of them. And when right in front of the whole class, when that specific teacher would ask me
yeah,
some question from the subject, from the book, और मेरी गिनती ना नालायकों में होती थी. मैं ज्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करता था, right? So I would not study too much, and then I would not really know the answer. So now when she ends up asking me, and I don't know the answer to it, before even while she's asking the intelligent students in the class, and all of them are raising their hands, so I would adjust myself. जो आगे वाला बच्चा होता था, I would probably adjust myself उसके पीछे कि eye
जी,
contact ना हो जाए कहीं. But what really happens is, so then you're already building up your anxiety in your head कि मेरा नंबर ना आ जाए, मेरा नंबर ना आ जाए. So my point to you is that there are very certain and then she would ask me, I would not be really able to deliver. I would feel stuck. Answer hota nahi tha. Then the kids would laugh. Isko nahi aata. Isse nahi hoga. And
जी, जी,
so I want you to probably, Swaraj, look at some areas of your life. जहाँ आपको लगता है कि कभी you probably get stuck, and these are very specific areas. But then what? If you ask me, when I hear you, I think you are flawless. So मुझे कहीं नहीं लगा कि there is a particular challenge. So if there is in a particular area, identify that particular area
yeah.
and work on it
Yes.
and work on it.
Actually, वो
And
ऐसा होता है कि yeah,
So yes, Kamalneet, I will definitely be connecting Swaraj to you personally and on DM,
yeah,
and I need you to guide him on his particular issues if you can. That
I
would be
would
the
love
most
to.
wonderful thing if we can, together help him overcome his stammering issue also. Because
I am all in.
if we can
I am
together
all
help
in.
him overcome his issues, yes. And मैं बहुत सारी फरमाइशें आ रही है
Shruti, I lost your voice. Shruti, you're on mute. You're on mute.
सराज स्पेशली आपके लिए आपको सुन रहा है कमलनीत
Now I can. आप कुछ
कैन यू हियर
फरमाइश
मी
की बात कर रहे थे.
या तो
Yeah,
दो
I can.
थोड़े से दो लाइनें शब्दों की है शब्द है जो सुनाना चाहते हैं स्पेशली फॉर यू वो ये सुनाते हैं उसके बाद फिर हम फरमाइशें भी जरूर पूरी करेंगे प्लीज व्यूअर्स जस्ट स्टिक ऑन ही विल डेफिनेटली सिंग व्हाटएवर यू आर आस्किंग हिम टू सिंग
And
सो
that will be
फर्स्ट द फ्यू
an honor to
शब्द
hear.
ओवर टू यू स्वराज
थोड़ा सा तो मैं यहाँ पर मेरी वलीद भैया के जरिए हमारे सारे जो प्यारे प्यारे आत्माएं हैं वहां पर आप सभी को भैरवी राग में बहुत सुंदर रचना है सा ग म पा Sagamapa Sare Sa सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना मेरे मना तेरी बीती उम्र हर नाम बिना सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना काम क्रोध मोह काम क्रोध मोह लोभ मद मात्सर्य छोड़ विरोध तू संत जना काम क्रोध मोह मोह लोभ मात्सर्य छोड़ विरोध तू संत जना कहे नानक सुन भगवंता कहे नानक तू सुन भगवंता इस जग में कोई नहीं अपना। आप सब मेरे साथ गाओ। सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना सुमिरन कर ले मेरे मना मेरे मना मेरे मना एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजुनी सैभम गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक हो से
Wow, Suraj, that's the clap. How did you enjoy it, Kamalni? That was dedicated to you. और मुझे लगता है सारे दिल्ली वालों का दिल लूट लिया इस उड़ीसा के लड़के ने, इस बंगाली भाई ने. He sings beautifully in Bengali and Odia, but I didn't know he could do this. It is a great surprise to me also, and I'm
multi
delighted.
talented, extremely multi talented, and Suraj,
Music
the best
has
part is कि आप एक तो आप आपका टैलेंट बहुत सारी चीजों में है. आप गाना भी गा लेते हो, आप शब्द भी आते हैं आपको, आप कीर्तन भी कर लेते हो. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज
इनको
कि
माइकल
आपकी
जैक्सन
आवाज एकदम दिल से आती है.
अभी
You
भैया
speak from your heart.
नानक साहब ने बोला है ना, आप जानते हैं भैया पूरी जो जगन्नाथ मंदिर है वहाँ नानक साहब आए थे और वहाँ के पंडितों को नानक साहब ने सिखाया कि पूजा कैसे करना है और वहाँ पे मंत्र कैसे पढ़ना है जगन्नाथ के प्रति, जो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भव तुम्हें बोलते हैं. तो वहाँ नानक साहब ने सिखाया हुआ है पूरी जगन्नाथ मंदिर में कि कैसे मंत्र पढ़ाया जाता है और कैसे भगवान के लिए समर्पित किया जाता है. तो ये तो लाइक म्यूजिक हैज नो बाउंड्रीज, सो नानक साहब हैज नो बाउंड्रीज, सो वी ऑल also have no boundaries.
Before we continue, I would like to share something about Siraj. And then we'll continue. His papa has sent a message कि ओ बरखा रे इनका बहुत अच्छा composition है, Siraj का अपना वो सुनाया जाए. तो वो Siraj, prepare yourself for that while I'm telling the viewers something. So what happened was that about a year back, Swaraj was told by the doctors that he should not sing and he will never ever sing again. Now, this came as a big shock to a child who had been fighting his stammering issues but had continued with great love for music to keep learning, keep improving his skills at the art of classical music and other music. So he went into a depression and he put on almost 50 kgs of weight, and he had some throat infections, and he had everything you can think of. It was like वो कहते हैं ना जब मार पड़ती है तो चारों तरफ से एक साथ पड़ती है, तो वही कुछ हो गया. और इनकी हालत देख के इनकी माताजी की तबीयत खराब हो गई because he's the only child, and that was even worse. And everybody was kind of, it was as though some kind of tsunami had come into the home. And at that point of time, because Swaraj is connected to a lot of spiritual music, he's a very connected soul. I'm learning from him. He's like a guru, absolutely. So he decided. He said he went to the river Mahanadi. कौन सी नदी बताई थी?
Mahanadi.
नाम क्या था उसका?
Mahanadi, Hirakud Dam, the longest river of this world, is made at our city, Sambalpur. I belong to that city, that divine city of Ma Samleshwari.
So
And
स्वराज,
so,
आपकी सिर्फ आवाज ही नहीं, आपकी तो नॉलेज भी बहुत बढ़िया है. I'm getting impressed by each passing minute, and it is
नॉलेज के
such a
लिए तो दो
profound
तीन दिन का
experience.
इंटरव्यू लेना पड़ेगा. नॉलेज बहुत है. तो
कुछ नहीं
उस
भैया.
नदी के पास ये बैठे, 3 दिन जाके बैठे रहे, पानी की तरफ देख के मेडिटेशन इन्होंने करी और इन्होंने ये संकल्प किया कि ये म्यूजिक के लिए कुछ भी कर देंगे. म्यूजिक के लिए अपनी जान भी दे सकते हैं, म्यूजिक के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे. तो जब कुछ भी शब्द आता है तो ही told himself that he has to get over his weight issues, he has to get over this health issue, and God has to grant him that voice again, his voice again. And he went on a boiled food diet, he started exercising, he lost almost 50 kgs of weight in less than 2 months. And
My
Rohit
God, 50
Ratu,
kg.
he has used, yes, he has used the power of affirmations, life coach Kamaldeep. He he has used the power of the subconscious, because he used to sleep with the sankalp that I will lose at least 2 kgs tomorrow, you know, 2 kgs of weight tomorrow. And
So
it's
मुझे
so
तो लग रहा है
so
श्रुति,
amazing that
the game is reverse. हमें तो
हाँ
स्वराज को मोटिवेट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, स्वराज का मोटिवेशन
नहीं
लेना
नहीं आप
पड़ेगा.
खुद भी
आई एम
मोटिवेट
ऑल अप
होंगे.
फॉर इट. आई एम ऑलरेडी इंस्पायर्ड. So
No,
I
absolutely.
think
The whole idea of bringing him on the show was because his story is so inspiring, you know. And he doesn't need really doesn't need motivation. He needs your guidance on the other side, you know.
true.
That's for sure.
I need your blessings.
And
Truly, 50 kgs.
इन्होंने 50 किलो वजन कम किया. इन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया कि अगर किसी को म्यूजिक से प्यार है तो वो प्यार इतना होता है कि वो कुछ भी करने को तैयार हो जाता है इंसान उसके लिए. So that is why our show's name is Love for Music, and music is a uniting factor. Music की कोई भाषा नहीं होती. Music is the one thing that really you can, you know, bring in love in this world, create that joy, that feeling, and help everybody get over their depression and anxieties. And Suraj, we need, you know, musicians like you. We need people who can sing the part of, you know, this kind of lay. I mean, look at your sur and lay. मैंने ऐसा एक ओंकार शायद ही कभी सुना. सुने तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे हैं. This was also mind blowing. And now I would like you, Suraj, थोड़ा सा आप अपना स्ट्रगल अपने शब्दों से थोड़ी सी देर बताएं और फिर क्विकली जो पापा बोल रहे हैं वो वाला कॉम्पोजिशन हमें बरखा रहे.
पापा कहाँ है यहाँ? पापा भी अरे तो अब मैं खुद को भी खुद ही का क्या कहूँ, खुद भी तो खुदा का ही बनाया हुआ हूँ. तो अपनी स्ट्रगल में क्या बताऊँ वो सब चीजें. हमारे वो उड़ीसा में बहुत बड़े एक कवि हैं, स्वभाव कवि गंगाधर मेहर करके. मुझे उनकी लाइन बहुत पसंद थी कि वो बोलते थे इन ओडिया ही सेइंग मुकारो मातारो मोरो नुहे बोली कहिबाको नाही बाटो दुरुश्री चरणे अर्पण करूची घेनता विश्व सम्राट. That means what I'll say to me and mine. Even this body is not mine, this vital is not mine, this mental is not mine, this emotional is not mine, nothing is mine. So it's all getting done by you, the Almighty is all getting done by you. I am yours, I'm totally yours. Whatever getting done through me is yours. So also the result, the initiation, the mid part, all is yours. So you take care of it, and I go to you with full of divinity. So in that Mahanadi of the divine Mahanadi, I call it Mahanadi. There's not Mahanadi, there's Mahanadi. So I used to sit there and I used to think of what of my depression, my anxiety, and my all these things, all these little things that is hurting me a lot. What of this Mahanadi? Uh, she is getting hurt by every stone, and every obstructions here over all the way. She is flowing from Amarkantak to the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Amarkantak to the Odisha. She is getting obstructions from all the road, all the stones. Still, she is not getting hurt, and still she is flowing. So I remember those lines of, I think, William Wordsworth, or whom, man can go and come, but I flow on forever. And Ma Nadi never wants something from us. She just heals herself. She never wants anything from us. How a giver she is. So I always prayed her.
People come to the music.
I always prayed her by sitting beside her that, oh mother Samleshwari, please give me that courage. Please give me that strength that I must be a giver, not be a taker. I must be a giver. So is after that, see, in Rishikesh, what this happened, as because I was telling Shrutima today morning that as because I think I sat beside Mahanadi for such while, so I'm now at beside Ma Ganga. And I'm bestowed with such love by all these great yogis, all these great sages to sit beside Ma Ganga. and is all of your blessings is not my energy, is all of your existence that is bestowing upon me all the blessings. Please keep blessing me.
Lovely, Suraj. I hope you always stay this humble
Very
and
powerful
have the
message.
same humility once you become internationally known and once your name is on the charts
No,
for
no.
being the great Indian whom people will remember. Please remember this also at that time. So, on that note, please share Barkhare with us. Are you ready with that?
Yeah.
Or we can hear the Michael Jackson song.
Huh. So
Which one do
Michael
you want
Jackson.
first?
I'm a very great fan of MJ and
अच्छा ऐसा करते हैं दो लाइन में बैठा रहती बिकॉज वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम एंड लॉट ऑफ
Okay.
पीपल वांट तो दो दो लाइनें सुना दो सबको
हाँ,
सब खुश हो जाएंगे
sir. So here is Papa saying, I think,
Yeah.
Barkhare. So it was Barkhare. God bestowed me this composition at seventh or eighth standard, and I was thinking about the global warming. I was thinking about the global warming. How can we solve this? Yes, nature has all the power to heal it, but how can we solve this? And we can make something very simple to the people. So is the music. So here, Dharti, the earth is proposing the sky, and she is saying her dukha, expressing her dukha that, oh sky, when can we meet? If such global warming happens, when can the rain happen? When the rain will come and we will meet, because rain is the only medium of our love. So here I'm expressing the pain of Dharti. कहना 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 है तुझको डरना नहीं रे चलना है तुझको रुकना नहीं रे मेरी ख्वाहिशों को तू सुन जा उबर खारे उसे मेरी कहानी सुना जा उबर खारे In Odia, दिनमा समासमु तोते चाहिँ बसिछि तू आसिले म शीतल त फेरि आसिब ए ग्रीष्म दहନରେ देह जळुछि तू आसिले शीतलता फेरि आसिब सुन श्रावण आकाशको कहिबु ओ मनर चिठी तू ताको ଦେଇଦେବୁ तू आशारे आम मिलन उसे मेरी कहानी सुना जाओ बरखारे मेरी ख्वाहिशों को तू समझा बरखा
एक बार बार फरमाइश आ रही है, तेरी आंखों के सिवा इस दुनिया में रखा क्या है. Some friend of yours, I think Shahid, wants you to sing that. So can we have that?
लिरिक्स थोड़ा सा गलत हो सकता है, अभी शब्दों में रखा क्या है. वो तो रफी साहब है, रफी साहब की याद में समर्पित कर रहा हूँ. तेरी तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. तेरी आँखों की सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. ये उठे सुबह चले चले ये छुपे शाम ढले मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. रफी साहब की मेरी बहुत पसंदीदा है. मैं आप अगर इजाजत दें तो सुनाऊं. कभी न जाओ छोड़कर. तो रफी साहब कैसे उसको निभा रहे हैं, कभी न जाओ छोड़कर.
You really got Suraj.
जी
You're
भैया.
truly blessed. I see that you're truly blessed, and I am very very sure that you will not only that you will become a great singer that you already are. मुझे लगता है कि आप बहुत ही बढ़िया टीचर, एक गाइड और एक मेंटर भी बनोगे, and you will truly leave a very big mark on this world. And
Thank you so much, कमलदीप. ये वाली गजल गाना सुनते जाओ, भी ना जाओ छोड़ के. 2 मिनट ये सुनते जाओ.
ये अभी कमलित भैया छोड़ के जा रहे हैं ना, तो कमलित भैया को रोकने के लिए ये गाना मैं गाऊंगा.
सुनो थोड़ी देर से.
मुझे तो ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे शादी का माहौल बन गया है अब. Sure, go ahead, please.
अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर कि तू अभी बरा नहीं. अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. अभी तो आए हो बाहर बन के छाए हो. हवा जरा महक तो ले नजर जरा बहक तो ले. ये शाम ढल तो ले सरा ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे की घूंट भी तो लूं। वो कह रहे हैं कि ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, सुबह हो चुकी है, सुबह से अब तक शाम आ गई है, तो शाम को कैसे वो बयां करेंगे? शाम ऐसे भी बोला जा सकता है कि ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, बट नॉट, ही इज एक्सप्रेसिंग द शाम। ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे की घूंट भी तो लूं, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर। फिर मैं, आप बिल्कुल नहीं मान रहे आप, तो मैं आपको कैसे पटाऊंगा? ये देखिए, मैंने पहले सिंपली बताया कि अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, ये मैंने बोला, तो आप नहीं माने, फिर भी आप जा रहे हो। तो मैं अभी सुरों को इबादत करके लाऊंगा और आप पे वो मेहरबान और उसको समर्पण करूंगा। कैसे करूंगा? अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी अभी तो आए हो बाहर बन के छाए हो, हवा जरा महक चले, नजर जरा बहक चले, ये शाम ढल तो ले सरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे की घूंट भी तो लूं, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं।
बिल्कुल दिल भी भरा, कमल भी, तो आपको भी जाने नहीं देंगे हम। अब इसमें अपना फेवरेट माइकल जैक्सन का गाना हमें सुनाना है, and which I'm waiting for. You know, he sings beautiful ghazals. We can go on for days and days with his insights and his music. But एक माइकल जैक्सन वाला हो जाए गाना, and then I think we will close the show for today.
Before that, Kruti, I would like to say something to Swaraj, and maybe all the. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, so this is basically for Swaraj and all the married people out there. Can you hear me? Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, yes.
So Swaraj, अगर आप, so I'm married. I have one wife, one son. So wife मेरी कभी कभी घर जाती है, अपने मायके. आप, yeah, of course she goes, right? Every daughter would want to go and visit her place. And मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे को ये गाना गाना आता होता ना, तो उसके जाने से पहले मैंने गा देना.
अब सीखो, कोई देर नहीं हुई.
अब सीखेंगे. And
Really trying to learn also.
स्वराज
I
हमारे
think
इन
all
लॉज,
of us, now that we're all sitting at home, we should all give our hand to learning singing. Learn to
मुझे
sing.
मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज लग रही है आपकी जानती. स्वराज की जब शादी हो जाएगी, तो स्वराज के जो इन लॉज हैं वो थोड़ा आपसे नाराज रहेंगे. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि आप ये गाना
क्यों?
बाद में करोगे, वाइफ घर जाएगी नहीं, तो इन लॉज
हाँ,
वो नाराज
बाकी नहीं
रहेंगे.
जाएगी. That's so sweet, Kamal. What a
Very
beautiful
beautiful.
thought.
Very beautiful.
And
Thank you.
this is all without any, we don't even have a lapel mic. We are just on the phone mic. We don't have a proper studio room. We are just trying to give our best to our viewers. And thanks to 10 News that we are being able to do this sitting here in Rishikesh and doing our best to cheer up everybody who's listening and to inspire them, to continue in their life with the passion they have. And quickly before I leave, I want Suraj to sing his Michael Jackson passion. He likes, he sings Bengali, Odia, Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, and Somali about everything. Let's listen to
वैसे
that. Let's
यहाँ
listen
पर
to it.
जितने उर्दू के दर्शक हैं, हमारे
प्यारे सब,
प्यारे
तो
सब, तो मैं
उन्हें
उन्हें कुछ
प्लीज कहना
चीज कहना चाहता हूँ कि
आज इस
आज इस
पुरमसरत मौके
पुरमसरत
पर आप
मौके पर
सबका
आप सबका इस्तेमाल करते हुए
हमें
हमें बहुत ही
खुशी
खुशी और चमन
महसूस
महसूस
हो
हो
रही
रही
है.
है.
आप
आप ऐसे ही
आपका
आपका
खैर
खैर
मकदम
मकदम बना रहे
और
और खुदा से यही दुआ है
कि
कि
रमजान
रमजान
और
और
नवरात्रि
नवरात्रि
एक
एक
साथ
साथ
सारे
सारे
विश्व
विश्व
को
को
प्यार और
प्यार और
प्रेम और
प्रेम और
सद्भावना से
सद्भावना
भर
से
दे.
भर दे.
हैप्पी
Beautiful.
रमजान और
रमजान और
हैप्पी
हैप्पी
नवरात्रि.
नवरात्रि.
That's a beautiful thought.
तो
तो
अभी
अभी
कोविड
कोविड के समय में
जो
जो
हम
हम
सब
सब एक सेल्फ हीलिंग
और
एक
एक सेल्फ
सेल्फ
मोटिवेशन
मोटिवेशन में
में
रहे, सेल्फ लर्निंग में,
इस
इस
बात
बात
को
को
शायद
शायद
माइकल
माइकल
जैक्सन
जैक्सन
पहले ही
पहले ही
जान
जान चुके थे
और उन्होंने 80s
और
में ही
उन्होंने
कह दिया
80s में ही कह दिया है कि
you are not
you are not
alone,
alone,
I am
I'm here with you,
though we are
though
far
we are
away,
far away,
yet still.
I'm here to stay.
His song,
His
You Are
song,
Not Alone.
You Are Not Alone. Now the day has gone,
I'm still
I'm still all alone.
Another
Another day
day
has
has
gone,
gone.
I'm
I'm
still
still
all alone.
How
How
could
could
this
this
be?
be?
But you were
But
not here
you are
with
not here
me.
with me.
You never
You
said
never
goodbye.
said goodbye.
Someone tell
Someone
me,
tell me why.
did you have to
Did you
go?
have to go?
And leave my voice
And
so
leave my walls
cold.
so cold.
Every day I sit
Every day
and
I
ask
sit
myself,
and ask
how
myself,
did love
how did
sleep?
love sleep away?
Something whispers in my
Something
ear
whispers in my
and
ear and
says
say,
that you are not alone. For I'm here with you, though we are far away. I'm there to stay, but you are not
but you are
alone.
not
For
alone.
I'm
For
here
I'm
with
here
you,
with you.
though we are far
Though we are far
apart.
apart,
Still you
still you are
are
always,
always
always, always, always in my heart.
we
We
are
are
the
the
world.
world.
We are the children. We are someone
We are someone
who make a
who
brighter
make a
day,
brighter day, brighter day. Yeah.
So
So let us start
give
giving.
let us
Let us
start
start
giving.
giving.
Let us
Let us
start
start
giving. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, mi. Do, Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much, Kamini, for creating this beautiful show
It
and
deserves a round
entertaining,
of applause.
inspiring all the audience. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm definitely going to try not singing now because जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे yoga सीख रही हूँ and it's all about inhalation and exhalation, and music can help you alter your breathing. It helps you alter your inhalations and exhalations, and that in turn puts your mind at peace. It gives a very sense of calmness, and it connects you to your higher self. So I would really want to share this with everybody. गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए, right? So let's all give it a try. With lots of thanks to Saraj for showing us how far we can go if we try, and not to be defeated by small issues. You know, let's just do it if you want to do it. And also, like you said, let's start giving. Let's start giving by smiling. And another thing that's coming to my mind, music has the power to say things you can't say otherwise. बहुत से जो प्यार करने वाले होते हैं वो गानों में बहुत कुछ बोल देते हैं जो वैसे शायद बोलना मुश्किल लगे। बहुत से जब दिल टूटते हैं तो कुछ गाने ऐसे गा देते हैं जिनसे उनका जो दर्द है उसका एहसास हो सकता है जो वैसे बोल शब्दों में नहीं हो सकता। So next show I'm coming with a very interesting transformation coach, Madhu Laklan, who is a mender of broken hearts and who will share with us, how to stay absolutely free and happy, and how to handle your emotions with a lot of. अच्छा एक फिर से दोबारा से कुछ आ रहा है क्योंकि आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा है गाय। ये शायद ही अभी गाया था थोड़ी देर पहले सुराज ने। कोई बात नहीं, मैं 2 लाइनें फिर से गवा देती हूँ। You can see the show again on YouTube. And with that, we will close the show. Can you just oblige me with 2 lines of it, please?
अभी जैसे श्रुति माँ ने कहा कि
जो बातों में बता नहीं सकते वो संगीत बहुत आसानी से बोल देती है। इसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी शायर ने कहा कि वो बात ही क्या जो बातों में बयां हो जाए। कुछ बातें अधूरी रह जाए, कुछ बातें अनकही रह जाए, तभी उसका मजा हम ले पाएंगे। तो ये जो तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, लिरिक्स थोड़ा तेरी आंखों किसी दुनिया में रखा क्या है, ये सुबह चले ये झुके शाम ढले मेरा जीना मेरा मरना पलकों के तले सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे
तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे तू जो नहीं तो मेरा तू जो नहीं तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है कुछ पाकर खोना है कुछ खो कर पाना है जीवन का मतलब तो आना जाना है परछाइयां रह जाती है रह जाती निशानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है तेरी मेरी कहानी एक प्यार का नगमा है मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा
Thank you so much, Suraj. And on that note, I will close the show. हमेशा हर एक व्यूअर की आप सबकी हमारी जिंदगी एक प्यार के नगमे की तरह रहे मधुर रहे मीठी रहे with that wish for you and lots of love. This is your coach Shruti Dutt signing off. Thank you so much.